Welcome to our latest video. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, a new coin called MEG coin. It's about time MEG receives the recognition she deserves. Who could have predicted this? Now Peter Griffin needs to stop picking on MEG because she has her own coin and the world of memes is proving to be quite lucrative. It makes you wonder what Stevie and Brian think of all this. It's fascinating to see how Family Guy has expanded its presence into the blockchain realm. So, before we delve into the details, I want to make clear that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not a financial advice. It's essential to do your own research, exercise due diligence, and only invest what you are comfortable losing. So with that being said, let's dive into this exciting project. Now, you might be wondering how to purchase MEG coin. It's quite simple. Just get your meme game rolling and hop aboard the MEG coin train. All you need is a digital wallet such as a Web3 wallet to get started. You have plethora of options to choose from when it comes to digital wallets, whether it's MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any other wallet of your preference. You can step into the world where the possibilities are limitless. Prepare yourself to witness the birth of groundbreaking meme-based cryptocurrency, with Bitcoin takes center stage as the star of the show. If you're ready to embark onto this exciting journey, go ahead and acquire that Web3 wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Once you have it, fund your wallet and proceed to swap the pair. This opens up a world of opportunities where you can sow the seeds of memes. Memes have the potential to transcend their digital origins and become a part of mainstream culture, conquering the world. Right here, you have access to the wittiest and the most humorous memes in the industry. The development of the first multi-chain pre-sale signifies a major milestone. This groundbreaking project boasts a secure and lightning-fast blockchain infrastructure. You can create wallets and establish connections with the other exchanges, wallets, and service providers. Furthermore, there are ambitious plans to secure a listing on the largest cryptocurrency exchange ever, an achievement that is simply mind-blowing. So expect remarkable, marketing campaigns that will captivate your, imagination. The MEG coin community is set to thrive, fostering an atmosphere of camaraderie and support. Brace yourself to witness MEG coin's presence spreading across the globe as this project aims to leave an indelible mark on the world. Can MEG coin handle the fame that awaits her? Only time will tell. So stay tuned for exciting updates and developments. So let's explore the supply breakdown, where 50 units are burnt at launch, making it a highly deflationary and multi-chain coin. Additionally, all LP tokens are burnt, further enhancing its scarcity. It's worth noting that the token type is Ethereum, with a distribution of 50 out of 100 LP tokens burned at launch. And the best part is that it's tax-free. Now let's dive into the utility. By burning the dullness, MEG coin brings forth a vibrant and lively meat market that is always filled with laughter and liquidity. If you have any questions, we're prepared with the comprehensive FAQ section to provide answers. Wondering what Bitcoin or how to buy it? We've got you covered. This project embraces the excitement of being the first multi-chain endeavor, pushing the boundaries of innovation. When it comes to storage, MEG coin deserves a cozy home, and a digital wallet is the perfect place. Not only does it safeguard your assets, but it also brings together joy and wealth. And yes, you can absolutely use MEG coin for online payments. As for fees, even memes require their fair share of laughter, so minimal transaction fees may apply. So getting involved in the MEG coin community is a blast. Join the fun-filled family of MEG coin enthusiasts and the megcoin.eth. And if you need to reach out to the MEG coin team, they are connected to a robust network of industry leaders like Binance and Coinbase. They value laughter, feedback, and even welcome weird suggestions. So connect with them on various social media platforms, including Twitter, where you can find them, and megcoin.eth with an impressive following over 40,000, 45,000. So keep an eye on their Twitter account for important announcements and updates. Speaking of exciting projects, as a fan of Family Guy, I am thrilled to introduce you to our favorite Family Guy meme token, McCoin. You can find them on Twitter, where they share exciting updates and news. Don't miss out on this opportunity to embrace the charm of Family Guy as it takes the form of meme coin. Get your ETH ready and swap the pair to acquire some McCoins. So who can resist the allure of Family Guy? Plus, as a bonus, first time buyers receive 10 bonus tokens. It's an offer you don't want to miss. If you enjoy this review, show your supports by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the notification bell to stay up to date with the future content. Feel free to share your thoughts and inquiries in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.